Hello everyone, my name is Harshdeep Singh. Today I'm going to represent how can we use web APIs for printing text and how can we use it to integrate with DialogFlow ChatBot as well. So to start with, for the chatbot I'm using DialogFlow, and for the API and hosting services I'm using this Python anywhere. So first of all, I'll show you like how this dialog flow works. So in this dialog flow, I have various intents over there, various entities, and over there, less we will be like interconnecting it with the web API. So first of all, I'll show the Python code that I'm going to use for it. So for this Python code, I'm going to import JSON, Flask, and like some request repository. So the root is this for the first one that will like uh, display my student number in like JSON formatted way, and the webhook root is going to connect my dialog flow with the API. So in this, the I can like write various responses over there. This is for example that the fulfillment text should be thanks. So suppose in any intent where I have enabled the webhook, so it will give me thanks as a response. So now let's see how can we do it. So if we go to this, you first have to sign in Python anywhere, and after that you will see the screen. So for this you have to upload it in this Python anywhere by using this browse file. So after you do it, you simply go to open web tab. So over there you have to create one like web application. So for this it's simple. So as I have like, let me show you. So you go to this, upload here and more apps. So simply you can upload your file there and run it. So as I have already created it, I won't do it. So if you click there, so you'll see this screen. So in this screen, when you scroll down, you have these things. So this is showing your Python version. This is your configuration file. This is your directory. So if you go to directory, so here's your file that you have to upload. The name of my file is app.py. So let's go back. So if you go to configuration file, yeah, this is very important. So the name of the file, the name of your Python file should be there from app import. As the name of my file is app, so it's app. Do not add extension there. Suppose the name of your file is like hello.py, so you'll simply write from hello. So that's it for that. So after that, if you go up, so simply like reload it, like if you have made any changes, so it will like reflect. So it will take some time. After that, you can simply click on it. So yeah, so this is your working web API. So over there you can see my student number is representing over there in JSON format. So now this is your working HTTPS, that is a secured version of like URL which will work worldwide. You can simply copy it. So this is going to use, this is how we can like this URL we are going to use to connect it with Dialogflow. So now we are done with the task one, that is displaying student number. After that we go to Dialogflow. So over there we have to create one intent that I have already done, that is give restaurant tip. So in this intent we have like majorly done nothing. We have just created one intent of this name, and we have added some phrases you can add as per your requirement. I have like added one action or parameter like tip that's not required as well. So I'll not add any responses because it's the responsibility of the webhook. After that you have to go to fulfillment and enable it. That's what it is important. So after completing all the tasks as making intent, hit save, and after that you have to go to fulfillment. So remember, you have copied the URL from here, you have to paste it over there. Once you enable it, you will see these options and you have to paste the URL. As you can see, URL is also is the only one that is required, otherwise you don't have to fill it, as these are optional. So when you, I'll do it for you. When you like paste it, and do remember to add webhook at the end. So that is very important. So after that you have to hit save. Now you're done. So you have to go to intent where you have connected and enabled the webhook. So over there, now you have to try it. So you simply, I'm copying one phrase, hit paste, and when you enter it, it'll say thanks. So that's the response from webhook. As you can see on this API, the response is thanks. You can change this response as well, like thanks for your tip. Hit save, go back, as don't forget to reload it. As this is this is important to reflect your changes in the actual API. So yes, so now we are done. Again, if we try it, so it'll say thanks for your tip. So that's how you can connect API with Dialogflow using